In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to fix the ESP-DIST-001 error in Fortnite on my Switch here, as you can see on my Nintendo Switch. So basically what I had to do is that I firstly had to go into settings here, so I had to exit Fortnite and then go into settings. And then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down, all the way down basically, until you can see system right here. So click on system, and then you're just going to scroll down again here until you get to the data clear options. By the way, it might say something else if you have the Nintendo Switch 1, something like formatting options or something like that, but it's basically the exact same thing, just so you know. So just click right here. And then on this page, you're just going to click on clear cache, the first one, so click on clear cache. And you can see here, you're about to clear all of your saved IDs and passwords, cookies, history. This might of course sound a bit scary, and I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you 100% know your Fortnite login, because there is a chance that you will be logged back out. But if you know your like password details and stuff like that, then it's completely fine. You will be able to log back in. So if you have any important passwords and stuff like that that you have saved, that you haven't saved rather, sorry, then I would think twice before doing it. But basically we have to click on clear data now here. And then when it says data cleared here, what you're going to do after that is to go back to this page once again and try, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.